The other things you should pay attention to are like companion plants, and there's also plants that don't like to be next to each other. So like sunflowers, if you plant sunflowers, those release a hormone that limits the growth of other plants in the area. So if you're planting sunflowers, do it away from your vegetable plants because they're not going to like each other. But things like marigolds help reduce the amounts of pests in the area. So this can be really beneficial. Tomatoes and basil is really good to plant next to each other as well. Even tomatoes next to jalapenos can make the tomatoes a little bit spicier. So there's all sorts of great companion plants. And also some plants that you should stay away from those combinations. And if you want to know more, we have a school community. Our Elm Dirt School is where we'll share videos. We've got a course, and people are sharing their knowledge in there as well. And if you have questions, feel free to ask them. We'll personally answer those for you. So you can take a picture of your garden and be like, what is going on with these plants? We'll help you out. So we know that not everybody has all the answers, and every year can be a little bit different depending on your area. And so we all do the best to like help each other and answer whatever questions you have.